I am from Govgrass Math Hub. I shall explain question number 6 that has been taken from exercise 5.5, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Differentiate the function in bracket x plus 1 over x whole के power x plus x raised के power 1 plus 1 over x with respect to x. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I write the solution. Solution implies that here you can see in the given function there are two terms, first term and second term. Both terms are added together by addition sign here, and complete function is going to be differentiated with respect to x here. And here in the first term of the function you can see the things given inside the bracket are x plus 1 over x. This is the variable. The variable raised के power variable. X is variable, x is variable. The variable raised के power variable. Here also variable raised के power variable. So when this type of question is there, wherein variable raised के power variable, variable raised के power variable is there, then this type of question will be solved by logarithmic method. Each term will be solved separately by using logarithmic method. So here I shall write, let the function y is equal to in bracket x plus 1 over x raised के power x plus x raised के power 1 over 1 plus 1 over x. Let the function y equal to in bracket x plus 1 over x whole raised के power x plus x raised के power 1 plus 1 over x. And again let first term I shall write x plus 1 over x raised के power x equal to u, and second term I shall let x raised के power 1 plus 1 over x equal to b. Then imply that y equal to u plus v you will get. Now first of all I shall take the first term x plus 1 over x whole raised के power x equal to u. Now x plus 1 over x raised के power x equal to u. So here I shall write imply that u equal to x plus 1 over x raised के power x. Again I shall write here on taking log in both sides. So here I shall write log u equal to log x plus 1 over x raised to power x. Here you will get log u equal to log in bracket x plus 1 over x whole raised to power x. By using the property of logarithm, log m raised to power n equal to n log m. On basis of this property, I shall write x dot log x plus 1 over x. This thing will be written. Again, I shall write dwrt x. dwrt x means differentiating this function with respect to x. So here we shall get d over dx of log u equal to d over dx of x dot log x plus 1 over x. Again I shall write, here you can see in the center function u is available and in denominator x is available. X and u are two different functions, will be related as d over dx. If you let u as x, d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. In place of x, u will be written, and here you will get d over dx. Here you can see d over dx of x dot log in bracket x plus 1 over x. Here you can see x is first term and second term is log in bracket x plus 1 over x. Here two functions x and log x plus 1 over x are multiplied together. So here by using the product rule of differentiation, we shall get first function as it is dot d over dx of second function log x plus 1 over x plus second function I shall write here log x plus 1 over x dot d over dx of first function x. Here I have used the product rule of differentiation. Again I shall write 1 over u dot d over dx is equal to x will be written as it is, and here d over dx of log in bracket x plus 1 over x. Here you can see two functions are mixed together. First, the whole function is log x plus 1 over x, and The core function is x plus 1 over x. By using the property of chain rule, d over dx of log x plus 1 over x will become 1 over x plus 1 over x. Write it in bracket dot and derivative of x plus 1 over x I shall write. So here I shall write d over dx of x plus, here 1 over x can be written as x raised to power minus 1 plus log x plus 1 over x, and here d over dx of x comes out to be 1. Again I shall write 1 over u dot du over dx. du over dx I shall write is equal to x will be written as it is, and here 1 over x plus 1 over x. Here x over 1 I shall write. Take LCM of 1 and x. You will get here only x. Here you will get x square plus 1. X square plus 1 you will get, x you will get. And here also d over dx of x comes out to be 1 plus d over dx of x raised to power minus 1 comes out to be minus 1 over x square you will get. Open here curly bracket. This thing you will get. Plus log x plus 1 over x I shall write. Again I shall write 1 over u dot du over dx. du over dx I shall write equal to x will be written as it is 1 over x square plus 1 over x. So here you will get x dot x over x square plus 1. This thing you will get. And here you will get over 1 can be written. LCM of 1 and x square you will get here x square, and here you will get x square minus 1. So here I shall write x square minus 1 curly bracket close plus log x plus 1 over x will be written. X dot x and x square will be cancelled out. So here you will get 1 over u dot du over dx equal to x square minus 1 over x square plus 1. Write it in bracket plus log x plus 1 over x will be written like this. Now here I shall put the value of u. It comes out to be du over dx is equal to this u will be thrown back to right hand side. So in right hand side u will get multiplied. So you will get here u, open here curly bracket, right here x square minus 1 plus x square minus 1 I shall write whole over x square plus 1 will be written plus log x plus 1 over x will be written curly bracket close. This thing you have got. The value of du over dx, you have got u dot curly bracket x square minus 1 over x square plus 1 plus log in bracket x plus 1 over x bracket close, curly bracket close. This thing you have got. Now again I shall take the second term here, x raised to power 1 plus 1 over x will be written equal to v. Implied that v is equal to x raised to power 1 plus 1 over x I shall write. On taking log in both sides, on taking log in both sides, you will get here implied that log v is equal to log x raised to power 1 plus 1 over x. This thing will be written. Now imply that log v is equal to, here you can see log x raised to power 1 plus 1 over x. By using the property of logarithmic, log m raised to power n is equal to n dot log m. So here I shall write 1 plus 1 over x dot log x will be written. Here I shall write dwrt x. It comes out to be d over dx of log v is equal to d over dx of 1 plus x raised to power minus 1 dot log x. This function d over dx of log v comes out to be 1 over v dot dv over dx equal to, here you can see first term and second term, two functions are multiplied together. So here I shall use the product rule. By using the product rule, I shall get log x dot d over dx of 1 plus x raised to the power minus 1 plus first function 1 plus x raised to the power minus 1 d over dx of log x. You have got imply that 1 over v is equal to dv over dx comes out to be, here you will get log x will be written as it is dot d over dx of 1 is constant, you will get here 0 plus d over dx of x raised to the power minus 1. So here you will get minus 1 dot x raised to the power minus 2. d over dx of x raised to the power n is equal to nx raised to the power n minus 1. On basis of that formula, I have written minus 1 dot x raised to the power minus 2 will be written. And here you will get plus 1 plus 1 over x dot d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. You will get this one. Here again I shall write 1 over v dot dv over dx. You will get log x minus 1 whole over x square, and here you will get plus here 1 over x will get multiplied together. So we will get here, take LCM 1 and x, you will get here only x. So here you will get x plus 1. So here you will get in numerator, you will get here x plus 1 and here you will get x square. This thing you will get. LCM will be x, so x plus 1, here you will get x square. Now what to do next? Next I shall do 1 over v dot dv over dx equal to take LCM of x square. We will get here x plus 1 minus log x. This thing you have got. Write it in bracket. Log x, this is log x. Again I shall write dv over dx. This value will go there and will multiply together. So we will get here v, here I shall write v will be in bracket x plus 1 minus log x whole raised to the power x square. This thing you have got. So what we will do next? Next I shall write dv over dx is equal to, now put the value of v. Value of v I shall put this one. So here I shall write x raised to the power 1 plus 1 over x will be written like this. Enclose it in curly bracket dot and here I shall write x plus 1 minus log x whole over x square. Final result you have got dv over dx is equal to, in curly bracket, x raised to power 1 plus 1 over x curly bracket close dot in bracket x plus 1 minus log x whole over x square. This thing you have got. And now here you will get, here I shall write dy over dx, dy over equal to du over dx plus dv over dx. Y is equal to u plus v implies that dy over dx is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx. This thing can be written here. I shall write finally dy over dx is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx. So here I shall write dy over dx, du over dx I shall take from this place, put the value of u here. So here I shall write x plus 1 over x whole के power x. So here I shall write x plus 1 over x raised के power x. Value of u equal to x plus 1 over x raised to power x, and here I shall write, and this term whole will be written, open here curly bracket, x square minus 1 x square plus 1 will be written, plus log x plus 1 over x, this thing will be written, curly bracket close, plus, and here I shall write dv over dx plus, open here curly bracket, x raised के power 1 plus 1 over x curly bracket close, in under bracket x plus 1 minus log x whole over x square. This will be the correct answer. The correct answer will be dy over dx equal to x plus 1 over x whole raised to power x dot in bracket x square minus 1 over x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 over x curly bracket close plus x raised to power 1 plus 1 over x curly bracket close dot x plus 1 minus log x whole power x square. This will be the correct answer of this question. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 6 that has been taken from exercise 5.5 chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. Okay guys, thanks.